Alrighty folks, we're going to mow some hay. Try to. We done mowed one field right over here. Now usually when you're mowing your first cutting, you ain't having to worry about having a coat on, but it's the sun a little bit trying to start to come through. But it's pretty chilly this morning. Now this field here, it's not real thick, the hay, because we've been letting the goats come over there, and then we just took them off, and then as soon as we get done mowing, we'll let it grow for like a week or so, and we'll let them get in there again. And as we get closer to second cutting, we'll move them back over to the other side. Now this here will be the last field we're mowing today. We've got several more fields we've got to get mowed. But the equipment we've got anymore, it's getting to the age now. You don't know if something breaks, you might be in trouble. So we try to get a little bit at a time. That way if something does tear up, we'll be able to get it fixed. Alrighty folks, here's them taters my dad planted the other day using the side-by-side. Looking pretty good, ain't they? A couple channels this week we're going to shout out is Jared over at Flutie Lick Homestead. He's got a great channel, folks. And Blenda and Chuck at Life with Blenda and Chuck. Check them guys out, folks. They've got an awesome channel. Now I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. And you all have a blessed day. And thank you again for watching.